Okay, what is this website all about? I like the way we start our story. We're going to tell you a little story about life.
Sometimes life is tough.
That's right. And it can be sometimes. Tough means difficult and hard to deal with. And that's true. Sometimes life can be difficult. For example, maybe you argue with your parents all the time. And come on, let's face it, when you're a teenager, that's exactly what you do. Because your parents don't know anything. They're just old people. They don't know what the world is about now. Their music, terrible, right?
没错，所以其实啊，或许在我们这个应该是说读者的年纪，对你们来说啊，有时候 life is tough， 生命好像其实有一点难过。为什么呢 ？Maybe you argue with your parents all the time， 常常会跟父母亲啊意见有一些冲突。那或许不是用吵的方式，但是意见就是不一致嘛。You argue.
That's right. And arguing is when you speak with a really unhappy sound. You're angry.You speak that way with someone because you disagree. Doesn't always have to be angry, but the idea is you disagree and you go back and forth, saying, you're wrong, you're wrong.
那字眼上呢，可能不是说那么样的这个强烈，但是有时候在语气上头啊，来来回回的所谓的 argue 就是争论的意思 ，argue。那么这个字呢，因为距字尾已经有一的关系，所以它的过去式跟过去分词直接加 d 就可以了。像有时候我们会听到它的名词叫做 argument 就很常用。
Right. Now the idea of arguing and an argument is that you disagree. Often we use the word to talk about being angry, which is tough, but you don't have to be angry when you argue. Here's another thing that might make life tough.Your classmates might be giving you a hard time at school. Maybe you argue with your classmates. Actually, here's another sample sentence for argue. Laura and Alan couldn't agree on a movie to watch and began arguing. Laura and Alan couldn't agree on a movie to watch and began arguing.
那么这个动词它的现在分词要注意咯，因为字尾结尾是一的关系，就把一删掉，然后再加上 ing。不过像文章一开始还有提到啊，他说有的是跟这个父母亲啊有点争执，有时候在学校呢 your classmates are giving you a hard time.
That's right. And give somebody a hard time means you do things that make them unhappy. You're really bothering them, saying things that aren't nice. That would be tough.
没错，所以所谓的 give somebody a hard time 就变成有一点找某人麻烦的意思。当然字面上就是给某人很艰困的时间，但是我们中文不会这么说嘛，其实就是有一点点找对方麻烦的意思 give somebody a hard time.
Right. Now, if this were true, which it is, life can be tough, don't you wish there were simple solutions to these problems? And solution is another power word. It's a way of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult situation. The way you fix some kind of problem.
所以像我们刚刚听到 Bill 有提到了这个解决一个问题叫做 solve a problem， 这里的 solve 其实就是动词解决某一个问题的动作，而解决方法呢，它的名词就是 solution.
For example, water with lemon and honey is an easy solution for a bad cough. Water with lemon and honey is an easy solution for a bad cough.
所以下次咳嗽的时候，不妨喝这个柠檬水，再加上蜂蜜来试试看。不过这句话还要提醒大家的是，问题的解决方法，这个英文当中的除了 of 之外，还有 to 这个介系词，所以以问题跟解决方法来说，它是一个应对的关系，而不是所属关系。所以我们说 the solutions to these problems.